How to prevent or allow duets on TikTok.
Start out on your profile page. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the little icon with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. There may also be another gear icon that appears in the top right corner. If that's there, tap on that. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the Interaction section. Then, tap on the 5th one down, which is Duet. Now here you can see this box at the top that says Allow Duet From, which mine's currently set to everyone. If you tap on that, it'll pull up this little box. If you don't want people to be able to duet with you, tap on Only You. If you want your friends to be able to duet with you, which is people you follow and also follow you back, so you follow each other, tap on Friends. Once you've made your selection, just tap on the X or anywhere outside the box. Since I want no one to be able to duet me, I'm just going to click Only You. That's all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.